I named it Beepo. If I had a poodle, I named it Noodle.
Good.
I named it Bart.
Good.
Not that good.
It's that good?
If I had a whale, I named it Mikhail.
Good.
If I had what is it?
A boa?
Boa, I named it Beer.
Beer?
Yeah. If I had the bunny, I named it Sun.
Sun. That's lovely.
Actually, I named it Sun.
Oh, I like it.
His name actually is Sun.
Yes.
If I had sheep, I named it Bakeo.
I thought it was Bobby Boo.
Bobby Boo. If I had sheep, I named it Bobby Boo. If I had dragon, I named it
Flag.
Flag. If I had parrot, I named it Bordy.
Bordy?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I had a lizard, I named it Wizard.
Good.
If I had shell, I named it Bam.
Bam? All right.
I had an octopus and a kitty. I named them what?
Pretty?
And
Sid.
Sid. Sid and Pretty. If I had a pony, I named it Baloney.
Yeah.
I don't have a hippo, poodle, shark, whale, what?
A boa?
Boa, octopus, and pony, and sun, bunny, dragon, sheep, and a parrot, and a pony. But I have a turtle, and I named it Baloney.
Yay! Can you clap for yourself? You did a good job.
I'm gonna do it when the bluebird sings.
Okay.